We're going to put the same time limit on anybody that wants to appear before the council that we will for the public hearing. Each participant would come up to the podium and state your name and where you live, and we'll give each one 3 minutes. And then after we're done, if somebody else wants to come up again, they can do that. But this part now is just for somebody that from the public that just wants to come up and talk about something that should be in the future, to discuss in the future, or just wants to talk. If we don't have anybody, we'll move on to the... Oh, okay.
I am Creighton Haas. I'd like to thank you guys for the opportunity to come and speak before you again. Before I begin, I'd just like to refresh your memory with an event that happened December 15th, 1791. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or the press, or the right of the people to peaceably assemble and to petition the government for redress of their grievances. That's why I'm here today. I'm here to petition, and I'm here to exercise my free speech. Just like I was last month, two resolutions were brought forward to this council, and were supposed to have been put on the agenda. That was not properly followed. I asked the council, I came and spoke before the council after the committee of the whole meeting. I said I'd be willing to work with you guys. I said I'd love your input. I'd love to work on those things. And I received no calls, no input from the council whatsoever. It again didn't make the agenda this month. And apparently that's citizen interaction. I don't understand how that can be citizen interaction here in Tomah. But it's my right to come and tell you that I don't approve of that. Now, we also have issues on open meetings violations. We've violated the city ordinances itself for putting agenda items on the agenda. Violated Robert's Rules of Order. And there are potential ethics violations relative to tractor pull tickets. These issues are being raised and will continue to be raised. What I don't want to see is I don't want us to see us become Quartzsite, Arizona. And I don't want us to see us become Keene, New Hampshire, where people desiring to come and speak before the council and exercise their constitutional rights are pulled out. And if any of you are not aware of the incidents that have happened in Keene, New Hampshire and in Quartzsite, Arizona, I urge you strongly to look into them. In 3 minutes, I don't have the time to explain all that. It's widely available on the internet. Now, just to review, as far as open meetings, a violation is subject to a forfeiture between $25 and $300 for every violation. I hope you guys are aware of that. Code of ethics violations, and I have the code of ethics for local municipal employees. I have it right here. Violations can be fines of not less than $100 up to $5,000, or imprisonment for up to 1 year in county jail, or both. Now, I expect to be taken seriously. I expect for Councilman Boyer to be taken seriously on this council. He was duly elected. And there is no greater right nor privilege in this country than being that of a citizen. And I feel like this council has not taken citizens seriously, nor taken some of their own councilmen seriously. And I think that is an affront to what the country that we were supposed to be living in, the freedoms we were supposed to enjoy. I would ask that the resolutions that were presented to this council be brought up, put on the agenda properly, discussed, and voted up or voted down. I'd like to have interaction with you guys on that, and I'd like to move forward. I also think it is also an affront that when an alderman asks for information relative to police incidents. He's told to get an open records request.
Mr. House, you're going on almost 4 minutes.
I'll close on that, but I am so upset with many of the things that are going on, and I'd like to be more involved, and it feels like the citizens aren't being allowed to be involved. Answer in 1984 is 1776.
Thank you. Anyone else that wishes to appear outside of the public hearing? Okay.